Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. This is going to be my last box opening for the day, and I just noticed that my microphone wasn't plugged in on the other two videos. So it'll be interesting to see how bad the audio is on those videos versus this one. I mean, I actually just use a fairly cheap lapel mic. Some of the other microphones I've tried in the past did not sound that well, but hopefully my camera picked it up. So this is another Watchgang Platinum membership watch. We've got their September 2018 poster and newsletter again. Showed it in the last couple of videos. Got some wrestling shenanigans. Pretty cool. And I can tell already this is the same style box that was in the first box opening. So I'm guessing we have the same brand of watch. Hopefully it's not the same watch, same color. Be nice to get something different. All right. Again, nice box. And again, we have Jerome Lamar's. And, well, it's kind of the same watch and kind of not. The previous one, I believe, had a black dial. So let me pull that back up. If I can get the plastic off. 1 second here. Nope, I lied. Green dial. So I got two of the exact same. For some reason I thought it was black. Just my lighting wasn't that good. But I've got two of the same. So stay tuned. I will only do one follow-up on this particular one, and maybe I'll be seeing if I can trade one of these bad boys for another platinum from this month. See if I can't get a something else to do a follow-up review on. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.